Hey guys, Tiger Frog here, and today we're going to be unboxing a Raichu GX Shining Legends Pokemon Special Editions pack. Look at that. That's a giant Raichu. I'll tell you that. That's just a big Raichu. And got Facecam. So yeah. Let's get into the unboxing right now. So let me open the box up quickly. I'm going to hopefully not mess it up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video and then I'll be back once it's unboxed. So I'll see you guys in a second. So guys, I'm back and let's see what I got. So I got this Raichu card, like this token thing. And then we have Raichu GX right there. It's kind of upside down. It says 210 HP, powerful spark, 20 plus damage, thunder 160 damage, Voltic GX 120 damage. We also have a Pikachu, yeah, Iron Tail, 20 damage, 60 health, and then of course I have got the Raichu GX gigantic card. Look. That is the normal card. And that is the big card. We got the normal and the big card. That's gigantic. Okay. Now let's see what else I've got. So I've also got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 Shining Legends packs. That's good. Look at all those 5. Got Mewtwo pack, Rayquaza pack, Genesect pack, another Genesect pack, and a Mew pack. Let's jumble these up. And we're going to start off with a Genesect pack. So let's open this up. We've got 10 additional game cards. So it's so hard to open these. I'm really bad at opening packs. I'll be back once this is open. See you in a minute. Okay guys, it's open and I just got some scissors. So I need to get the cards out quickly. We have got a white card. That is always good. The code is 2M9 ZKL 6L9V RLZ. Okay, that's for the trading card game. So let's see what I got first. So we got a water energy, a energy retrieval. That's quite good. Then we have a Scrafty even. A Floatzel, a Scraggy, so I did get a Scraggy, a Torracat, a Plusle, a Buizel, Electrode, that's a holo Electrode, and Marshadow. Okay, let's go for the next pack. So we got the Rayquaza pack now. Let's see what we got now. We have got a white pack. Oh, still a card in there. I wonder what that card was. I'll have to see once. White card. Okay. Let's see what we got. We got 7WV, Y7 MW 4NP RK4. That's the code. Okay. Oh, and we also have the code for the Raichu Shining Legends pack. R9V 2DP2 RBX 9YM. Okay, there you go. So we got white cards, so we got to do 4 cards to the back. And let's see what we got first. We have a Fighting Energy, Lily, Pokemon Breeder. We got Arbok, Voltorb, Golurk, I think, Golett. Hey, Bulbasaur. Stunfish, Quillfish, another Quillfish. Oh! We got a Shining Arceus! Oh! Let's go! That's the first Shining card. Let's go! Shining Arceus! That's absolutely amazing. Okay, let's get to our next card. Let's get to our next pack. Come on. Is it not going to open? Oh my god. I'm so surprised by that. Got another white card. I think they're all white cards. 7ZB, ZNRD, NXV, LG6. Here you go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's to the front. Let's see. We got Leaf Energy, Lily. What is that? Danger Mover. Ultra Ball. Minim. What is that? Shroomish. Jinx. Pikachu. And got Torkoal. A Pokemon Catcher Holo. And Keldeo. Hey. Okay, I think we've been doing, this pack opening has been really good so far. Let's get with the next pack. Okay, we got the Mew pack now. That was another Genesect pack, by the way. Let's see what we got in this pack. I think we got another white card, and it says 2PT VKQW LJN YBW. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4 to the back, and oh, that's upside down. We got Steel Energy. We got a Incineroar, that's quite good. Spiritomb, Super Scoop Up, Torkoal, Totodile, hey, one of my favourite starters. Buizel, Plusle, Plusle, Torcat, ooh, Holo Energy, I think that's a Fairy Energy. And we got Palkia! Yay! Let's go. This has been a good pack opening so far. Now guys, we got the final pack, the Mewtwo pack. we got Genesect, Rayquaza, Genesect, Mew, and now Mewtwo. Let's see if we can make it 2 for 5 with Shinings. Okay, let's see what cards we got. We got a white card again. Okay, HGZ PMKYCHL YWH. Okay, let's see what we got next. Okay, so we need to put 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the front. Okay. You got Electric Energy, Scrafty, Double Colorless Energy. Okay, Great Ball, Chronor, Perlion, I think. Yeah, Perlion. Larvesta, Litten, Scrafty, and we have a Manaphy. Okay, that was a good pack. So let's see what good cards we got. So let's start with the Manaphy. Okay. Then we got Palkia and Keldeo, and the best card from this whole pack opening, Shining Arceus. That's just amazing. Shining Arceus. I can't believe it. Then we have Marshadow, Scrafty Hollow. Then we got the Hollow Energy. I don't know if these are hollows or anything. Hollow Fairy Energy. Pokemon Capture. And finally, the Electrode. Okay, guys, that was our pack opening for today. Just all I can say is just wow. It's bigger than my own head. This card is literally the same size as my head. Just wow. Anyway, guys, remember to subscribe, like, and also share this with all your friends. And see you guys in the next one. Bye!